Welcome back up to another episode of eLearning with Eggy. Let's get started.
Hi again, this is Nick. In today's episode, I'm going to highlight some of the ways that Eggplant can be integrated with your existing CI/CD pipeline and software development lifecycle toolsets. This is all about delivering enterprise automation at scale and on a tight schedule. First, Eggplant supports integration with tools like Azure DevOps and Jenkins to trigger test executions. For instance, imagine that development commits a change to code and then pushes that new code upstream. This starts Eggplant test execution across a whole set of targets: an Android mobile device, a virtual desktop accessing applications that are hosted in the cloud, and an iOS device. Second, Eggplant monitoring and testing can be integrated with collaboration and communication platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Eggplant's REST API supports robust notifications and alerts in these contexts so that information gets to the right people at the right time. Finally, Eggplant test results can be automatically exported to defect tracking systems like Jira, IBM RQM, and TestRail. Test results can attach to existing issues, or test failures can automatically create new issues in the bug tracker.
Thanks for joining another episode of eLearning with Eggy. See you next week.